welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial for you. Well, I'm going to focus in a lot on the eyes, but I'm going to do my entire face and show you all the products that I use to create this very soft glam makeup look. It's funny that I said that because Aina just made that video about what is soft glam anyway. To be honest, I don't really know what soft glam is. I think this is soft glam because it looks like it's not a lot, but actually it's a lot. I got on foundation, concealer, highlight, contour, eyeshadow with glitter, and lashes. So is it soft? I don't know. You be the judge. Let me know down below if you think it's soft or not. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also going to be showing you some skincare. You know how I do it. I can have a video without showing you skincare. If this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, let's jump into the video, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing an eyeshadow look. I got a request for that and I'm gonna be doing more requests. Okay, so I haven't done an in-depth eyeshadow tutorial in a while, so we're gonna do one today. I'm gonna go through how I do my eyeshadow. It's very basic, to be honest. Alright, so let's just jump into it. The very first thing I start with is my brows, as always. And for a long time, I've been using the Jordana Best Pencil for brows and eyes. And then I branch out into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel, which is what I'm going to use today, real quick. So what I just used was the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer by Maybelline, and that was the shade Tan. Basically, my brows are done. Just going over the Dip Brow Gel with the pencil. And today I'm actually going to be using my Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, y'all. So we're pulling out an oldie but goodie because there is a shimmer in here that I want to use. This palette is absolutely beautiful. It's all shimmers, so we're going to be using some mattes from the Aina palette. Is that with a very fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into edges. I raise my brows because I have hooded lids, and I take edges and I just swirl it all in my crease. I usually use a reddish brown shade like this to do just that. Many brown girl friendly palettes could work. A lot of palettes from Juvia's Place have a lot of shades just like this. Also comes with a lot of experimentation, like you will know what shade you want in your crease from practice. After doing it over and over again, you'll be like, okay, yeah, I know I want this color in my crease, this is how I want it to look, let's go with that. Then I'm gonna go with a more tapered fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Credit, and I'm going to concentrate that like right on the bottom of the crease, right? So really shaping my eye. This is a darker brown, so basically it's gonna look like a gradient effect where it's going from dark brown to light brown. I started with the diffuse color and now I'm going in with that darker color to really shape my eye, and I'm just going at the natural shape of my eye. I'm gonna go back in with edges and just soften it up. And we are almost finished with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with Soleil on a very flat brush like this, and that will be my brow bone highlight. I like a gold brow bone highlight. That is like my go-to. Like I was showing you guys in my last video, even if I'm doing a silver eye, I still want to do a gold brow bone. It's crazy. So now I'm gonna place my lid color, and I think I'm gonna use, what color is that? I think it's called Sunburst. I'm gonna use Sunburst from the Fenty Beauty palette, which is a beautiful like orangey pinky shimmer shade. Now this shade is kind of sheer, so you could have put a base on your eye first, but I didn't want to put a base. You could have also put eyeshadow primer if you wanted, because it's quite like glittery and you might get some unwanted fallout. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with Credit and just define that crease a little bit. And I think the good thing about how I do my eyeshadow is that you could literally just substitute the lid color for any color that you want. If you want green, if you want blue, if you want purple, you could just substitute it. And basically that's it. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I like to coat my lashes with mascara before I put my falsies on. So I could really marry them together and, you know, potentially dust away any fallout that dropped onto my lashes. I also think another big thing to eyeshadow is your brushes. So I really recommend MOTD Cosmetics. They have some really good brushes that are affordable, and they come in sets. So I'll put a video up where I reviewed their brushes, and I also have a coupon code. I'll put it in the description box where you could purchase their brushes. I like that they come in sets. They also give them names to let you know what they do, so it's super user friendly, super beginner friendly, so that's why I like them too. Okay, so this is how my eyes are looking. Very minimalist, but still, you know, a little bit glam. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about some skincare products that I received. I had to add them into this video, and I'm going to complete the rest of my face and we'll be done. Okay, so the first product that I want to mention, well, there's a bunch of products actually. So I received products from Octoly, and they had a Glitmas gift bag, okay, that came with a host of different things. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in the bag. So basically you got this bag right here that says insert caption here. It came filled with all sorts of goodies, y'all. So the first thing I want to show you is this gift set from Quarterly. It is the Natural Brightening Stars gift set, and it looks like this. It has 3 products in there: the Vino Perfect Essence, Vino Perfect Serum Eclat, which is the Radiant Serum, and the Quarterly Vino Perfect Brightening Glycolic Night Cream. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is a moisturizer. It's from a company called Peyo, and it is the Creme Nuage number 2. That's the name of it, Creme number 2 Nuage, and it's supposed to be an anti-redness, anti-stress moisturizer. I don't have any of those issues, but I am just using it as a moisturizer, and I actually really like it. Then the next thing that I got in the box came in this little like ornament type box, but it is 3 little rollerball perfumes from a company called Clean Reserve. One is warm cotton, the other is suede oud, the other is blonde rose. Now I'm not like a super fan of these fragrances, to be honest. They are quite strong, so I'm thinking I'm also going to give this to one of my friends who loves fragrance. I think she would appreciate this. I'm like just not wowed by the scent, so I'm gonna give it away. Also in this package I got a smoothing moringa blend and weightless hair oil from Verb. It's called Ghost Oil, and I've actually been using it on my natural hair just to moisturize and give me shine, and I've been liking it. It's supposed to be a daily restorative oil that revitalizes hair from root to end. It has moringa in it, which enriches the hair shaft with essential nutrients and naturally smooth frizz and promote radiant shine for all hair types. So I straightened my hair out. Well, I got my hair blown out on the 21st, so I've had it for what, 2 weeks now. Oh my gosh. And it's still straight, and I've been using the oil to just like smoothen up my hair when I brush it, and to give my scalp a little bit of moisture. So I feel like it's been working for me. I like it. Also, I received a little travel size Plant Apothecary Start Happy Body Wash, and this one is geranium and peppermint, and this one actually smells the best. This is very pungent. The rest of them are very mild, but the peppermint in this smells super good. So I really like this one. I'm definitely taking this on my trip. I also got these Mind Your Mind, which is supposed to help you with sleep. It's a dietary supplement from this company called Hush and Hush. My sister has trouble sleeping, so I'm gonna give this to her and we'll see what she says. Then I also got this lip pencil from Avon. It is the Avon Flat Velvet Lipstick. Okay, let's give it a swatch. Okay, so this is not really my color, but we'll see. Maybe I could do something with it. Maybe I could do a little ombre with like a brown liner. Then also I got an eye cream from this company called Skin Fix, which is the Lipid Boost 360 Eye. It's supposed to help with puffiness. It's supposed to help with dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So I've been using it probably for like 2 weeks now. Haven't really seen much of a result, but my eyes do feel really good. It moisturizes well. It absorbs well into your skin. It doesn't like make under your eyes feel oily or anything like that. So I'm gonna continue using it and see how it goes. Those are all the things that I got in the bag. Also, you get another cute bag that I already have stuff in from Verb, from that hair company. They give you a little tote. Right, so that's all I got from that Glitsmith bag. Then the next thing that I got was a little kit from Patchology. This is called the Nude and Improve Skin Perfection Kit. I got another one of these eye gels along with these wipes, which I actually really like. I've been using this to take off my makeup. Does an amazing job. The rejuvenating eye gels. Have I tried these before? This packaging doesn't look familiar to me. I've tried this hydrate mask before. Very good. I actually used one today. My skin feels amazing, very moisturizing. You have the Illuminate mask. Never tried this one before. I think I'm gonna take these with me to Jamaica so I could be like pamper my skin while there. And then the gels, you all know I like these. So yeah, those are the products that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the next thing I usually do after my eyes is my foundation. I'm gonna try the e.l.f. No Filter foundation. I think this might be a little too light for me right now, so I'm not gonna put it too much on the outskirts of my face. I'm gonna put it more in the center of my face. And what shade do I have? I have Deep Dark 195. Yo, just excuse it for right now. I'm gonna bring it back to my skin tone. We're gonna make it work. A big part of making it work is the contour, and that was Fenty Beauty Matte Stick and Expresso. I'm gonna set my under eye. I don't even feel like putting on concealer, to be honest, so I'm just gonna set my under eye with my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. And that's something that you can do if you don't feel like wearing concealer under your eyes, but you still want that brightening effect. So essentially I'm kind of setting my whole face with this. This is a good powder to set your whole face with. The shade that I use is Deep Peach. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Sasha blush in burnt orange. Then for highlight, let me know if I should do all MAC video, because I've been using my, what do you call this, gold deposit. This is like an OG highlighter for brown girls. Then I'm just gonna finish up my under eye with some mascara. So for the inner tear duct highlight, I'm gonna use Meteor Crush from the same Galaxy palette from Fenty. I'm gonna zoom in just so I could show you guys my eyes more up close. So then for lips, I'm gonna go in with Limbo from Colourpop, which is a really brown. I'm gonna go in with one of my Bite Beauty matte cream lip crayons in the shade Leche, and I'm just going to put it in the center. Okay, so I'm making a really nice nude ombre. So I'm giving you very much so monochromatic vibes, you know, shimmery eye but still very minimalist, and pinky nudie lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the end of the look right here. That was super easy. How many shadows did we use? 5 shadows to create this look, and it was only 5 because I did that inner tear duct color. But if you didn't do the inner tear duct, that was 4 shadows. If you're a beginner in eyeshadow, some brands that I would recommend to get started with would be Morphe and Juvia's Place. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Little Upbeat on Instagram and The Beat Inc on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, comment, let me know what else I should be doing for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Without further ado, have a great night. Bye.